OXO Good Grips Salad Spinner. Easy, one-handed operation with patented pump mechanism and brake button. Soft, non-slip knob locks down for storage, and a non-slip ring and wide base keep bowl steady on countertop. Elegant, clear bowl is perfect for serving, and basket can be used separately as a colander. Clear, flat lid allows for convenient stacking when not in use, disassembles for easy cleaning, and parts are top rack dishwasher safe and BPA free. Capacity 6.22 quarts bowl, 4.95 quarts basket, dimensions 10.5 by 10.5 by 6. Recommended by America's Test Kitchen. The OXO Better Guarantee. If you experience an issue with your OXO product, get in touch with us for a repair or replacement. We're grateful for the opportunity to learn from your experience, and we'll make it better. Thank you for watching our video.